Quimixto Beach, a hidden paradise just south of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. There's only two ways to get here, water taxi or hiking. You can get a water taxi at the Los Muertos Pier in Puerto Vallarta. Head to Boca Tomatlan and grab a taxi there. So here we are in Quimixto on the east side of the town, right near the Hamaca Beach Club. A few surfers out today. The waves aren't very big though, so they're having a bit of a challenge. There they are, paddling out again. This is one of my favorite places in all of Puerto Vallarta. Always something going on here. It's actually semi-remote, so it's not a ton of tourists here, although there's lots of new excursions up to the waterfalls, which is just inland from the dock there, only 1.8 kilometers, a little over a mile to get there. But then we like to go there and then head our way over to the Hamaca Beach Club, or Charlie's here, right on the beach, which is right on the eastern edge of the town, and enjoy this beautiful beach here. Just pristine. It's wavy, they've got surfers, but it's just a spectacular spot. And two beach clubs that are open to the public. Great food. The Hamaca Beach Club and Charlie's. Charlie's is right over here. You know, you eat there and use their lounge chairs, sit back and relax. And they'll even call you a water taxi if you want to go back to Boca. And that's how we came up here. We came by water taxi, went to the pier in Quimixto, hiked to the waterfalls, and then hiked over here. It's like less than 2 kilometers each way. So it's just a little over a mile each way. Just absolutely gorgeous. So yes, a little touristy, but not that many tourists. Not like in the downtown of Puerto Vallarta. Just a beautiful spot. Hard to beat, actually. And the food's good, prices are reasonable, and the scenery is to die for. Love this rocky outcrop section here. On the other side of this is the Zinlandia Beach Resort as well. Sort of like a Zen tourist retreat. They've got a sweat lodge there. They do yoga, swimming pools. Looks pretty upper end. I've never stayed there though, so I can't really give you anything really factual about it. But this area, wonderful. And there's the beautiful beach. Taxi in now. So now we'll look at the beach from the opposite direction. We'll walk back the same way we did and give you a different perspective. And that's one thing I always enjoy doing. Looking at the beach from both directions, you always see something different. Just like in this particular section of the video, you can see a water taxi coming in. They can take you to the pier if it's rough weather or a little bit wavier, or they can take you right on the beach. And most time the weather here is pretty good and the waves aren't too bad. And you can come in and out on water taxis, which is fantastic. So as you can see, there's not that many tourists here, a lot less than what you would find in downtown Puerto Vallarta, which makes this little hidden gem perfect if you want to get away from it all. Excellent place to come and hang out. A little wavy today, that's why we've got a few surfers out. But the waves really aren't that big today, so they're not really catching too many. Look at the surfers. There they are. A little bit of a rocky sort of reef place right here. fast in its ways. Looks like they might be trying to catch one right here. They missed it. Got one up. Looks like he barely knew. Just got ball. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Please comment. If you need any information about the Puerto Vallarta, just drop me a note.